which deals with our attention. Okay. So the first thing is I want to ask you something, which is we all do multitasking, right? Yes. What kind of multitasking do you usually do? Someone? Yes. Stand. Studying with hearing music. Okay. Some other multitasking? Yes.
Cooking by watching TVs.
Cooking and watching TV. Yes. So, do you think this is humanly possible to do activities and to get a positive result?
Yes.
Yes. Will doing the both activities will ensure that we have this both positive effects? No? No, right? Yes. So let's see whether this will give a positive or negative. Okay. So first task is that what you have to do is I'll inform you that when I say start, you have to start counting in reverse from 100. Okay. So this is the task. So there should not be any unsequence in the task. Everybody should go in a sequence way. Okay. There should not be any rush. Okay. Do it slowly. You have to count in reverse from 100. Okay. Yes. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Start.
85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85
task 1, it deals with your mental, like intellectual thing, right? Yes, when it comes to clapping and snapping, it involves more tasks, right? So when we combine both, and the counting sequence is not usually the thing which you do. So it was in the reverse order. So it is not very practiced for you. Yes? And also this clap and snapping is also not practiced one. So when we combine both these things, what happens is there is an interference. Yes? The attention gets deviated. Yes? So like, let's say this, for example, when you drive a car and can you text in the phone? Can you able to text in the phone? No, right? There will be a complete division of attention, right? So the similar concept applies here. So what we call this concept as dual task interference. Okay? So what this dual task interference states is that if we combine two tasks or multiple tasks together, there will be a decrease in productivity of that task. Okay? This dual task interference states there will be a less in productivity when it comes to multitasking. Okay? So have you got this concept? Yes? Fine? Is there any doubt? No?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we do it once more? Yes. Yes. The combined one, okay? Yes. Sorry, start counting. Yes. Even now, after you got the concept also, you got some mistakes, right? Yes. So usually this will interfere in our day-to-day lives as well. So that's why we have this traffic rules of not using mobile phones when driving or taking call when driving. So these are certain steps we get interrupted. So it may lead to some accidents. So these are the day-to-day psychologies we need to follow in our life. Okay. And also when we see a complicated tasks like when a doctor does a surgery and we or a professional does a surgery, they also have to involve a communication, right? Not single-handed, a single doctor won't do it single-handed, right? There will be a lot of other professionals there, nurses and other doctors. So they have to have a motor skills, and also they have to communicate in an effective way as it involves an emergency setting, right? So in that case, these dual task interference plays a major role. Yes. So understanding all these concepts will help in like improve our